Hi there. Today I will watch a video called Kitten Meows but phone's low battery sounds. Enjoy watching. What? Why can't I pause?
Prank, you now have a remote control on the space bar. Look. Now pause. Now there is no pause.
Mom, what have you done?
It's not me. While you were walking, I called the master and he installed such a thing.
What? And how much did it cost?
$1,000.
What? What? It seemed to me. How many? You could have bought me a new phone with that money.
Yeah, but it was funny.
No. Well, how do you get it back?
I have a special button on the remote. All returned.
Thanks. Very squeaky sounds. I hope I don't get a headache after watching this video.
Here, you sit at your computer and then your head hurts.
Mom, I'm okay. That's a beautiful sound. That's all. I watched a very unusual video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. See you soon.